Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. In this video we will talk about self-destructing message. So the thing is, many times we need to share some important things to our closest ones like bank account number or credit card number, etc. And we also want that message to be deleted so no one can find what was inside the message. So let's see how it works.
First, open the web browser and type privnote. Open this first link. So this is where you can write anything like any private message, any bank account number, credit card number, etc. Now you can create the note, but they are offering some other options too. Let's check those options. You can select the time after which the message will be deleted. You can create a password to make this message more secure. Add a mail address here so you can get a mail notification before the message will delete. It's totally optional, and then click on create note. This is the link by which anyone can see the message. Copy this link. Now I am going to my Gmail account and send this link to my friend, which is my another account. So log into that mail account. Here is the link. Closing this tab. Open the link and you can see the message. You can destroy the message directly by clicking here. On the top of this link, a countdown is going on. After that, this message will be deleted. Saving the message and the link. Saving it as a test. I am pausing this video and will come back after a few hours. So now I am back. Refresh the same page and it's saying note has expired and deleted. So this is how you can send a self-destructed message. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.